Hello! Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It shows that you're interested in truly healing your skin. And that's so exciting because this journey is hard. I had to do it by myself, and I became a health coach because I didn't want other people to have to go through this journey alone. And that's exactly why I recreated my program and made a 6-week program. So let me tell you all about it because I'm excited that you're here, and I really hope that you sign up for the program after listening to this because I put in a lot of thought. So this is a 6-week long program. Basically what happens is you will sign up on my website, which is coachmichellemills.com. You click on 6-week program. You can either schedule a consultation, which you can do a video chat with me, or we can talk on the phone and just talk out the details. We can talk about your expectations for the program, and I'll tell you if the program meets them. Okay, so from there, you can either just sign up right away, or after the consultation, you can sign up. So the program, what happens is, after you sign up, you're gonna log into my website. I have a portal. And there are 6 weeks, and you will work through the 6 weeks each week. So every week has a set of videos for you to watch. They're pre-recorded. I'm obviously the host of each video, and I talk through complicated things that deal with eczema. What eczema is. I talk about how to heal leaky gut, how to heal the liver, how the immune system plays into this. I also teach you how to use the 2 ebooks that you get with the program. One of the ebooks is a written documentation about what eczema is in the body, about autoimmune disorders. The other one is a diet book. It's basically a guide that will teach you the stages of eczema, how to eat through each stage, and how to transition through the stages. Also in the 6-week program, one of the weeks is all about transitioning through the stages. Now, I've been helping people for quite a while now, so I kind of knew what all of the frequently asked questions are, where the confusion is, and I slammed that all into this 6-week program. So each week you will have an assignment. So the assignments can be anywhere and as light as, how are you feeling today? Or it could be something like, tell me all about your eczema. Or it could be a little bit more comprehensive and cause you to think a little bit more. So where are you going to put your assignment? So every set of 6 weeks will have at least 5 people going through the program at the same time. Each set will have a Facebook group. So it's a private group, no one else is in it, obviously myself is, and you guys. And I have it that way because you guys will need support through these 6 weeks. So you're going to post your assignments there, you're going to talk to each other, you're going to ask questions, and each week I'm going to get on there and do a live Q&A. So each week write down your questions, and then at the end of the week I'm going to get on there and you guys can ask me any of your questions and I'm going to answer it. And I'm going to have you guys talk to each other, start interacting, and it's so necessary because I've already healed. Maybe I can't relate to you as much as someone who's trying to heal. So that's why it's structured like that. There'll be anywhere between 5 to 10 people in each session. So let's talk pricing. So this program is definitely pricier than my old 4-week program, and that's because I learned that I only want people who are truly serious about this program and about healing. This is an investment in your long-term health. This isn't just some gimmicky diet. This isn't some quick thing you can do without thinking. You have to be dedicated. So I have it priced so that this is an investment and you're going to take this as serious as possible, and that you know that everyone in the group with you is as serious about healing as you are. With that being said, if you do get someone to sign up with you for the same session, you guys will both get $100 off USD. I also want to point out that I will work with you guys if you live in a different country and your conversion rates are a little bit steep. I will try to work with the price with you. So we can talk about that during the consultation. So just head to my website, schedule a consultation with me, and we can talk about all of that stuff. So I'm so excited to be launching this. This is going to be the best year, and I hope to see so many people healing. I have upped the weeks because in my 4-week program, I noticed that people were healing, but they didn't get to a place where they felt confident until about week 6. So at week 6, you're going to go on, you're going to know every single thing about eczema, you're going to know how to heal it, you're going to go forward and spend the rest of your life without eczema. So thank you guys for watching this, and if you're interested, everything will be linked down below, and I'm so excited to work with you guys coming up in 2019. Love you guys!